This residence was designed with topography as the primary basis for spatial formation. Situated on uneven land, the building does not impose a flat surface, but rather follows the natural contours as part of the design strategy. This approach allows the house to blend more seamlessly with the site while minimizing interference with the existing ground conditions. The floor plan is structured in stages, responding to elevation differences through clear and measured level divisions. Each spatial zone is positioned according to privacy and orientation needs, creating a logical and efficient circulation flow. The height differences are not treated as constraints, but as tools for creating a layered and dynamic spatial experience. The relationship between indoor and outdoor spaces is designed to flow, with controlled openings to regulate light, air, and views. Transitions between levels feel natural, strengthening the connection between the interior and the surrounding landscape. This approach provides both thermal comfort and a calm and serene quality of space. With a floor plan that follows the contours, this residence demonstrates that architecture on uneven land can produce efficient and characteristic solutions. Rather than pursuing expressive forms, the design opts for clarity, simplicity, and sensitivity to the site, an inspiration for home design that departs from real conditions rather than simply idealizing forms.